Assalamu alaikum, friends. Welcome to With Love Aisha. Thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel, I share African recipe, drinks, and home cooking made with love. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Burkina, known as Dèguè, a refreshing and nourishing drink made from millets and milk. Let me show you everything you need for this recipe. You will need a millet powder, milk or yogurt. You can substitute with milk powder, ginger powder, dry pepper, clove, black peppercorn, salt, just a pinch, and water. With the tools, you will need a blender, a bowl, sieve, and cheesecloth. If you don't already have a millet powder, you can soak a whole millet for a few hours, dry it and blend it into a fine powder. Next, I added my millet powder into the blender alongside with the ginger, the clove, the black peppercorn and the dry pepper. You can use powdered spice if that's what is available for you. I transferred the blended mixture into a bowl, then I added just a small pinch of salt. Be careful here, too much salt can affect the taste of the final drink. Mix everything until smooth and well combined. Now, now comes the important part. That is forming the millet pearls or the small balls. To do this, you need to sprinkle a little water into the mixture and gently rub it between your arms and fingers. This helps the mixture come together and form a small ball. Take your time here. The pearls don't have to be perfect, just small and even. Remember, you are able to control the amount of water you put in, but you can control the ones you take out. So you don't have to put too much water. You put it a little bit at a time. You rub it regularly and gently with your arms and fingers. That is when you start forming the pearls and the balls. When you do that, you don't want the millet to be too dry and too wet, just in between. That way you'll be able to rub. So after doing that for a little bit, this is what I got, or this is what I have right now. I'm gonna go ahead with my hands to try to break it apart. You do it according to the consistency you are looking for. If you want a big pearls, you can leave it. If you want small, you can go ahead to do it with your hands. Shake the bowl a little bit, and then you will get the bigger ones on top. You do this till you get all these beautiful pearls that we created. If you've been watching me till now, kindly subscribe to join the family. Thank you so much for watching my videos. The next step is going to cook the pearls. Okay, with the cooking, you have to cook it for at least an hour or an hour and 20 minutes. The reason for the cooking is for us to get that chewy texture and that soft texture of the small pearls. So what I did is I have my cast iron pot that I had some water and something to hold the sieve together. I added some water in it and I covered to boil. So whilst that was boiling, I went ahead to add the pearls into my cheesecloth. This is gonna help to absorb all the steam. We are going to use the steam to cook the pearls. Dèguè is traditionally made with pearls and fermented milk or yogurt. It is rich, creamy, slightly tangy, and very comforting. The water has been boiling now, so I just picked the sieve. It has handle, which is very important, and I just put it back into the pot, cover it. I'm gonna be checking it out periodically and fluffing it up. That will help to make sure all the pearls are being cooked. So that is what I'm doing over here. And you have to be careful over here too with the kind of sieve that you are using. After fluffing it very well, I'm gonna go ahead to cover it again to steam. As I mentioned earlier, you are supposed to steam it for an hour to an hour and 20 minutes. Then I will go ahead to prepare my milk mixture. So with the milk, I'm gonna be using some condensed milk, a whole milk, and some Greek yogurt. This combination is very healthy, high in protein and rich in calcium. With the condensed milk, it's optional. You can use it or you can use sugar as a substitute. But since I'm using it, I just want the creaminess that condensed milk has to add into my dèguè. That's why I use that. Use it and let me know how you like it. It's so delicious and so flavorful. After adding everything together, I mix everything to combine. Then I am gonna go ahead to adjust to my preferred texture. I like a thicker, a very thick milk around my dèguè, so I went ahead to add some more yogurt. Yeah, dèguè is not just delicious; it's also very nourishing. Millet is rich in fiber and help with digestion. Milk and yogurt provide protein and calcium, making this drink very filling and energizing. It's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or to enjoy during fasting period. Very important. So after an hour, our pills are all ready. So I transferred it into a bowl. Whilst they are still warm, I added unsalted butter. This step is very important because it helps to fluff the pearls beautifully, prevent them from sticking together, and add a subtle richness without overpowering the taste. This step is very important. Make sure the pearls are still warm when you add the butter so it melts evenly and coats them properly. And just like that, our homemade Burkina is ready, creamy, refreshing, and full of flavor. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more African recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Ramadan Mubarak.